severe thunderstorm watch, effective until 8 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Hocking, Knox, Licking, Madison, Marion, Morrow, Muskingum, Perry, Pickaway, and Union. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Now looking at the National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Licking County until 3:30 p.m. At 2:38 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Heath, moving east to 25 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Newark. In addition, Hanover and Toboso are near the path of the severe thunderstorm. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
Now for the official.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Morrow County until 10:15 p.m. At 9:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Waldo, or 10 miles southeast of Marion, moving east to 25 miles an hour. Hazard 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Mount Gilead, Cardington, Ashley, Chesterville, Sparta, Marengo, and Fulton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Now looking at the